Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to be sharing this incredible tea recipe with you. It is called chai tea and it's a very healthy tea that you must try. Come on guys, let's do this. This is a very beautiful tea recipe for the weather. It is called chai tea. Chai tea recipe. I'm going to be sharing this recipe on chai tea recipe. This is an incredible tea, the tea that made my day, the tea that healed me. I wish to share this with you guys because it's an incredible tea. In case you're feeling low, you're feeling down, and you feel like you want something to cheer you up, this is a very good tea for you. So we have here 3 sticks of cinnamon, we have 3 anista, we have some cloves, as you can see, we have black peppercorn. So all you want to do is toast it for some minutes on medium heat. Toast until it gives you a beautiful fragrance. My kitchen smells divine, guys. Oh yes. Okay, I just decided to take you guys on this tea recipe. Alright, so this is what you want to do. I'm going to tell you the next thing. Just toast until those beautiful fragrance comes out. So the moment your herbs gives you those beautiful fragrance, you want to go in with 2.5 cups of milk. Go ahead and use any choice milk. So we're going to reduce the stove to low. At this point, put your stove on low and then go in with your 2.5 cups of milk. By the way, we are making for 3 persons. So this is the quantity for 3 persons. All right. Look at how beautiful this is looking. So we're going to go in and add some ginger. Just chop your ginger and add it in. Allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Okay. Gucci steam, this is a must try. It's a beautiful tea and that's why I brought it to the channel. Very healthy tea that you must try. Very delicious tea. We're supposed to go in with cardamom. Yeah, we're going to go in with powdered cardamom. Right. You can add the seed cardamom if you have. It smells divine. Once it boils out, guys, you want to add your tea and allow it to steeple for about 10 minutes. Okay, cover it. Set your time and allow it to steeple for 10 minutes. In other words, you're allowing the tea bag to absorb in this beautiful deliciousness. So that way you're going to enjoy it to the fullest. And then we can drain it and add any syrup of your choice. And that is it. So guys, ta-da! Oh my goodness, the color is so fantastic. This is 10 minutes later. We are going to drain this out so we can start drinking. If you have watched this video to this moment, please give it a like. And let's drain this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so good. It smells incredible. Wow, this is so good. Look at all those deliciousness in your body. This is going to be very helpful. I was gifted this tea and I said, you know what, I want to see the recipe. And the recipe was shown to me. I decided to just have it here so we all can enjoy. So I'm going to go in and add some ground cardamom. Since we didn't add any cardamom, I'm going to go ahead and add this, okay? So you can go in with maple syrup, okay? Just go in with about 2 teaspoons, not more than that. You don't want it to be too sweet. I went in with cardamom powder, okay? So that's it. This is a very delicious tea. Very healthy tea. It will wake you up very well. You can just go in with your cinnamon sticks just for garnishing. just for garnishing. Cinnamon sticks are incredible in any meal. Like, I feel like I can still do some more from here. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. We're going to add some cinnamon powder. This is just to garnish. Yeah, our tea is ready. So we are going to put it in our cups now so we can drink. Preachers team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Thank you all so much for watching. I am so grateful. God bless you abundantly.